Hi everyone and welcome back to my morning report charts appraisals on Wednesday the 18th of March with me, Rich Perry, market analyst at Hantec Markets. This is Euro dollar now, and the euro, as you can see on the chart, if I can get it going, is basically going sideways. It's sort of consolidated, little bit of a rally yesterday, but nothing too significant, and today it's basically flat, really not moving anywhere. And that comes with this FOMC meeting that we've got today. Market does not want to take a view in front of this meeting because it could have significant impact on the euro either way, and there's no real desire to trade ahead of it. You look at these momentum indicators, just unwinding really, nothing too significant, and that's just reflective of this consolidation. Now, what we do have on this hourly chart is this slight rebound that we've had in the last couple of days, nothing too significant, but today we're basically flat, and I cannot see anything really changing that in front of this FOMC meeting. The traders will be incredibly reluctant to take a view ahead of that, and I think there could be some significant movement in the wake of the meeting. In terms of the support, you'd argue 106.50 being yesterday's low, 105.50 being yesterday's low, and 106.50 being yesterday's high. Sort of 100 pips band there between support and resistance. But the main level, I think, coming in obviously is the key low at 104.56. And that sort of guards you from coming back towards this 100% Fibonacci projection level around about 100.50 to the downside, and that is a level I still think we will see at some stage. Now, whether is going to be seen after this meeting or not remains to be seen. Patient is obviously a major a major focus for the market. I still think that the Fed is going to remain slightly dovish. I think it's perfectly possible they'll get rid of patient, but I think they could well replace it with some other word that sort of just means that they're going to be just holding back slightly from a June rate hike. I don't see a June rate hike. I think it's going to be Q3 or maybe even Q4, because I think the Fed is, sort of broadly speaking, I think the Fed is still inherently dovish, and they would not want to be seen to rock the boat. But I still think what we could see is if this does come in with a slightly dovish angle, then you could see a very near-term spike against the dollar, which would involve obviously euro-dollar moving higher. Now, obviously, within this regard, the first real target comes around 108, which is a 50% projection level. And if you look here on the intraday chart, that 108 is around about where this old floor and new resistance comes in. But I still see sort of 107 and then 108.20. That's 108.20, that floor. Old floor, new resistance is 108.20, but again, around 107 is a bit of a level as well. So that's what we're basically seeing today. I think it's going to be flat in front of the FOMC, and it's difficult to say exactly what we're going to see. But anyway, I wish you good luck in your trading on the euro today, and I will speak to you later. Thank you.